Bharti Airtel continues to post a strong set of numbers. Not only did the performance improve on a YOY basis, but it was also better sequentially. Performance of both India as well as Africa operations remained strong. An increasing subscriber base coupled with tariff hikes helped the company post significant growth in revenue as well as operating margins. Airtel's consolidated revenue for the third quarter stood at 29,867 crores, a YOY increase of 12.6%. Growth came from new and existing customers and was broad-based across India and Africa markets. Geography-wise, India business revenue registered a YOY growth of 9.9%, driven by a 5.8% growth in subscriber base. Now, growth was fueled by a healthy addition to the 4G customer base, which was up 18% YOY. India business ARPU came in at 153 rupees, a marginal degrowth on a year-on-year basis. The ARPU, however, improved 6.5% sequentially, driven by price hikes taken by the company. Africa business, meanwhile, outperformed and registered a growth of 19.1%, driven by a 17.9% increase in ARPU and 5.8% in subscriber base. In terms of operating profitability, overall margins expanded by 398 basis points over the year-ago period, led by significant operating leverage that the company currently enjoys. Operating margins for India and Africa businesses expanded by 448 bips and 273 bips respectively. On the subscriber front, Airtel continues to gain strength from the weak competitive position of Vodafone Idea, whose customer base seems to be shrinking almost every quarter. Airtel added 26.5 million subscribers in the 12-month period. It's also interesting to note that the company continues to garner a strong share of the net 4G additions in the market. 4G data customer base increased by 18.1% YOY to 195.5 million. Now, we believe with an expanding network coverage, the company will continue to attract new customers. In fact, Airtel rolled out additional 7,800 towers and 31,000 mobile broadband stations in the quarter gone by. With people spending more time online amid the pandemic, data use per customer in India has jumped 11.7% YOY, while in Africa it has jumped 35.2%. The combination of data use and the rising share of 4G subscribers will continue to drive ARPU's growth in the medium to long term. Meanwhile, long-term trends such as an increase in data consumption as well as price increases in line with inflation will continue to aid the top line. Rising penetration of smartphones, affordability, network and content are fueling data consumption across all platforms. The secular trend in internet penetration is almost certain to persist, and Airtel, with its huge subscriber base, appears to be in a prime position to benefit from that. We believe the stage is set for a tariff hike by all telcos, and all the players in the industry, in fact, have already started taking a price hike. In fact, the impact of price hikes was clearly visible in Q3 numbers as well. We believe price hikes are expected to help Airtel achieve long-term target of a blended ARPU of more than 250 rupees. The SOTP valuation, if we look at it, indicates an almost 14% upside on the current market price of the stock. We advise investors to accumulate the stock with a long-term view. Of course, some risks to watch out for will be the new pace of subscriber addition, which could moderate due to the pandemic. Besides, cash crunch in rural pockets may as well put a cap on near-term tariff hikes, and that could also result in the consolidation of multiple SIMs held by a single customer.